second part of the set theory. In this, we are going to learn some of the topics that are important in the set theory. So, we are going to learn about what are subsets, then power set, and lastly, universal set. Set A is said to be a subset of B, said to be a subset of set B if every element of set A is also an element in set B. We can say that set A is a subset of B only if the elements that are present in set A are also present in set B. The representation of subset is given as this. So according to this, the statement will be A is a subset of B. So we can say that A is subset of B. This can be written as A subset of B. Now we can say A is subset and equal to B. This can be written as A subset equal, right? So we can put a dash underneath the subset sign. So A is a subset and equal to B. And lastly, we have A is not a subset of B. So this can be given as A not a subset of B. Set A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And set B is given as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in the elements in A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and elements in B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that 1 is present in B, 2 is present in B, 3 is present in B, 4 is present in B. So we can say that from this we can say that A is a subset of B as every element of A is also an element in B. Sets as given as A is given as 1 and 3, B is given as 1, 5 and 9, and set C is given as 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Right. So now we have to insert a symbol, that is the question says that insert the symbol subset or not a subset between each following pair of sets. Okay, so we are given as phi and b, a and b, a and c, b and c. So let's solve this. So for the first one, we can say phi is a subset of b, while as phi is also known as a null set, a void set, or the empty set, is a subset of every set. Okay, now let's do the second one, that is a and b. So in a we have element 1 and b element 1, so it's same. In a we have element 3, b we don't have element 3, right? So what we can say, a is not a subset of b, as 3 belongs to a and 3 does not belongs to b. This is how we represent and belongs to sign. Okay, so basically what it says, a is not a subset of b, as element in a, the element 3 is not an element of set b. Okay, now do the third part, that is a and c. So in a there is 1 and 3, in c there is 1 3. So what we can say, a is a subset of b, as 1 and 3 belongs to a, which also belongs to c. B and c. So in B it is 1 5 9. C there is 1, there is 5, and there is 9. So what we can say, B is a subset of C, as each element of B is also an element in C. Before moving to power set, remember this relation of subset. We have N, we have W, we have Z, we have Q, and we have R. So N is a subset of W, W is a subset of Z, Z is a subset of Q, and Q is a subset of R. Now, what does N, W, Z, Q, R is? N stands for natural numbers, okay, which starts from 1 to infinity. W are whole numbers, which starts from 0 to infinity. Z is the integers that consist of negative as well as positive integers. Q is a set of rational numbers, okay, and R is a set of real numbers. Okay, now let's move to the second part, that is the power set. What does a power set means? So we can see the collection of all subsets of set of a set. We can say, let's say set A of set A is called as a power set. The power set of A. Okay, let's say we are given A as 1 and 2. Find the number of subset. So number of subsets. Okay, this is something important. Find the number of subset. There is a formula called 2 raised to n. N is basically how many elements that are present over here. So as per this equation, so n is 2. So what we can say, 2 raised to 2 that is 4. We have calculated the number of subsets. Now we have to write the each element that is present in the subset. P of A is, there is one subset 1, subset 2, then subset 1 comma 2, and there is always the subset phi or the null or the void set. If you are given, say set A is given as A comma B comma C, okay, so now, and we are told to find the number of subset. Now what is n of A? 1 2 1 2 3, so n of A is 3, right? So number of subsets will be 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 3, that will be 8, right? Now you have to write what are the elements or what are the subsets, right? So we have 1A, B and C, right? And there will be a void set, that is 5, okay? Now to find the remaining combinations we have to combine it. So we have A, B, C. This will combine with A and C. A will combine with B and C. So we have A comma B, that is one set. Then we have B, A comma C, that is another set. Now we have to combine B and with A and C. So we have B comma A, and we have B comma C, A comma C, and we have C comma B, okay, and last is a combination of all three. Okay, but what we are told, the number of subset is 8. How many elements are there over here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, right? So we know there are subsets that are repeated. So A and B, B and A, it's the same one. You can discard one. So we discard B and A. A and C, A and C, discard one. And there is B, C, and there is C, B. So discard one. So we can say that P of A is A, B, C, A, B, B, C, C, A, or A, C, A, B, C, and 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is your number of subset, or these are the subset of set A. Okay, remember, repeated terms should be taken only once. Universal set. Let's see the definition. If A is a set under consideration, then all the objects which are outside A constitutes universal set. Set denoted by X or U. What does this mean? Say this is our universal set. Okay, it is either given by X or U. Okay, and there is set A present in this universal set. Okay, so the remaining part of the set that is not included in set A. Okay, is given as A dash. Take an example. So if this is a universal set which constitutes of a school, so and this is the set for the number of students who come early in the school. Okay, so the remaining part, that is the ones that is not included in set A. So this is called the A dash. So if we say uh, is punctual students, punctual, then A dash becomes the ones who come who are always late, are the non-punctual students. This is the set of X, okay, where X is living beings, right? And this is a set, okay, this is a set A, where A is human. Okay, so the remaining part that is not considered in A will A dash will consist of plants, animals, microscopic organisms, birds, fishes, and many more. Okay, so if you have any doubts regarding these topics, that is the subset, power set, and universal set, you can kindly comment below. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. I'll meet you in the next lecture on part 3 of the set theory.